You want to buy a home and sell a home in 2025. Here's the problem. This is not a beginner's market. This isn't Vegas. You can't roll the dice and hope for the right rate or perfect timing. But here's the solution. It's not about luck. It's about strategy. And I help people with smart strategy every day in the Chicago and the suburbs. Hey, this is Hugo with Coldwell Banker, and I'm your local real estate expert here in Lakeview, Chicago. And I serve the Chicagoland and the surrounding suburbs. But this 2025 market, it rewards buyers and sellers who know how to play it like a pro, not an amateur. So let me start with buyers. Yes, interest rates are still high. Yes, prices are still climbing. But here's what most people forget. You're not buying for the next 6 months. You're buying for the next 5, 10, or even 15 years, and hopefully even longer. So that means that strategy over stress. You need the right agent, and that's me. That 1, sharp lender for smart pre-approval. 3, and a game plan to shop smart and not scared. So sellers are finally open up to credits, rate buy downs, and good terms. So that is a very good win for you. And when rates drop later, you refinance. But if you wait too long, that house you love might be gone. So to someone else who has brave enough to act. So now let's talk about the sellers. You can still get a great return, but you need to come in strong. Number 1, price it right on day 1. No games, no hoping for bidding wars. Today's buyers are very picky, and if you're overpriced, they won't even click on your property. Staging is very important. Pre-inspections is important. A killer digital marketing that it's your playbook right now. And yes, offering credits for help with closing costs isn't a loss. It's a power move that gets the deal done, and you will sell your home faster than the one sitting next to you. Whether you're buying, selling, or just trying to figure out at this time, you need someone who's been through every kind of the market, and that's me. I have helped a lot of families over the 10 years, including investors, and I treat every transaction like a strategic move, not just a sale. So let's talk about your goals and how we can play this market like a pro together. Give me a call, 773-550-4846. Visit my website, homesofchicagobyhugo.com. So I'm here to help you out. So let's go win this market.